7 grammar. Okay, now see, we have finished till this much, so we'll start from here today. Page number 43. Rewrite the following sentence using is, am, are plus not to in place of must not. We must not tell lies, so what you have to use? We are not to tell lies. Okay, you must not tell the secret. We are not to tell the secret. Manu must not be late again. Manu is not to be late again. He must not forget your advice. He is not to forget your advice. The boys must not pluck flowers. The boys are not to pluck flowers. You must not leave without telling me. You are not to leave without telling me. Like this we will do. Okay, next is rewrite the following sentence using must not in place of is, am, are or not to. I am not to trust him now. I must not trust him now. We are not to cheat each other. We must not cheat each other. They are not to betray their boss. They must not betray their boss. Okay, now next. She is not to tell lies again in her life. She must not tell lies again in her life. You are not to make a noise in the class. You must not make a noise in the class. He is not to listen to your excuse. He must not listen to your excuses. Okay, this is the way you have to do. This number 5, A and B, cross it, no need to do. Next, do this one. Rewrite the following sentence in past tense. You must repeat it. You had to repeat it. This is a past tense. We must not repeat it. You were not to repeat it. You need not spend all the money. You did not need to spend all the money. I need not do this work again. I did not need to do this work again. You must not invite him. You were not to invite him. You were not to invite him. Till 10 you do. No need to do more. The maid has to wash the utensil. The maid had to wash the utensil. Ram is not to come before evening. Ram was not to come before evening. Past tense you have to do all. My sister needn't go to work. My sister need not need to go to work. Soumya must not go home alone. Soumya was not to go home alone. I have to give you a new pen. I had to give you a new pen. Till number 10 you will do. Okay, no need to do. Others no need to do. Okay, now remove the idea of obligation in the following sentences. Remove the idea of obligation in the following sentences. Now this one, number 7, A and B is there. Okay, now you must go there again. You need not go there again. Okay, must will become need not. He has to come every week. He need not come here every week. He need not come here every week. Okay, the student must write in ink. Okay, like this you will do. You do only this one. Number B no need to do in copy. Okay, this one also will be your homework. So you will do this one 4A 4B in copy, number 6 till number 10 and number 7 only A. Okay, for today this much. Thank you.